So, good morning class. My name is Manisha Dhur. Today in the PHP lecture, we see the introduction about the PHP. So, first PHP stands for the Hypertext Preprocessor. It is a widely used open source scripting language that is especially suited for web development and can be embedded into HTML. That we can say it is mostly used for developing web development, that is we can design websites by using the PHP language. So basically PHP is a server-side scripting language. That means the scripts are executed on the server. PHP supports many databases like MySQL, Oracle, Sybase, Solid, PostgreSQL, Generic, ODBC, etc. And PHP is an open source software, and you can freely download and use the PHP software. Also, PHP runs on the different platforms like Windows, Linux, Unix. Is compatible with almost all servers used today, and we can download the free versions of PHP from its official website. And PHP is easy to learn and efficiently work on the server side. Instead of lots of command to the output HTML, PHP pages contains HTML with embedded code that does something. The PHP code is includes in a special start and end processing instruction, that is the angle bracket question mark PHP, and the PHP end with the question mark and angle bracket that allows you to jump into and out to the PHP mode. Basically, this is the example for the PHP, how we can write a PHP code using the, or we can say embedded with the HTML. So here is our example. There is one HTML tag, that is the HTML, then head, then title. In title we are giving the heading example, then head close and body start, and the angle bracket question mark PHP. This is the portion for the PHP scripting language. By using the echo word, you can print any message in the PHP. Body close and HTML code. This is the basic example for the PHP scripting code. PHP code is executed on the server and generating HTML, which is sent to the client. The client would receive the result of running that script, but would not know what the underlying the code was. This is the visual. In the background, the HTML code is run, and the client will only see hello, I'm here. The client will not able to see the background process. It just seen the output, that is the hello and I'm here. So how to get started the PHP? On Windows you can download and install the WAMP server with the installation by using the following link. You can download the WAMP server, or if you have Mac PC, then also there is one link to download the PHP server. So this is the above is the PHP source code. It is a simple hello world program. It returns that looks like this. This program is extremely simple, and you did not need to use PHP to create a page like this. All it does the display hello world using the PHP ecosystem. This is the normal programming HTML fonts that happens to set up special tags available. If you want to do lot of interesting things by using the HTML tags. The next part is the PHP comments. In PHP we use the double line to make a single line comment, or /* and star backward slash to make a larger comment box, as you can see in the code. Textbooks for the reference. I am here you giving some textbooks for the PHP. Thank you.